I think people often hear fair value gap
Yeah.
and they want to know how to identify high probability fair value gaps. So can you walk us through what that looks like for you?
I tell people this is how I learned. I was like, okay, what is a fair value gap? I go to the daily chart and I start identifying them. And all I do is just whatever you want to start. We can start right here. Typically, you're going to use 3 candles. So it's going to be a big candle with no overlap. And then use the previous candle high and then next candle low. This tells me that there was obviously a lot of movement in a short amount of time, indicating to me a trend. That's what a broad candle is. It's a trend. So when you have a trending condition and it pulls back into it, what do you think is going to happen? It's not necessarily rocket science, but what it is just a way to structure risk. So what I would do personally, whether it's an intraday chart or a daily chart, when you have something like this on the daily, I just wait for it to get to this area and look for some sort of reaction. And that's the real game right there. So this is a great example of this is a bad fair value gap to short, because you have some consolidation, you have a push higher or whatever, and then you just see 4 broad candles just kind of puke into the open. To me, when it's right before the open like that, that's a very, 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 it's a big red flag. As simple as that. So what I would like to do is typically not try to short something like this, because I don't see a clear manipulation. I don't see anything like up here where it's like just, you could tell someone got just blown out of the water. To me, it's just kind of drifts lower. So this would be technically the manipulation for it to then run higher, right? Like that's how I see it.